Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Pad 3D and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the apps. Let's tap on them. Here we have to tap on Special App Access and tap on Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install anything. And of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, we can see that the Chrome is not right now allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps really wisely. It will work the same, of course, with all other apps. Just tap on it, tap on the switcher, and it will be allowed. And you can also remove previously granted permissions, and just tap on the app and again tap on the switcher. And from now on, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.